The Allied Royal Riders of Karbi Anglong on Saturday, the 1st of May, organized the Right for Justice motorcycle rally. The rally was held to support the demand of bringing the killers of 12-year-old Sumila Ronghangpi to justice. The rally highlighted demands such as immediate deliverance of justice for Sumila Ronghangpi, capital punishment to the culprits, and compensation to the victim's family.
Thank you, TNT, for covering the Justice Right event. We are hosting this ride in collaboration with many riders of Karbi Anglong. Our club is Mojaru Motorcycle Club, with collaboration with all our riding partners around Indian and northeastern states. We are riding this event in memory of late Sumila Ronghangpi. She was brutally killed by Borthakur families based at Raha. So we are doing this ride from Jipu to Raha and to submit the memorandum to the Honorable Deputy Commissioner of Nagaon.
We are from the Young Party Association Jipu. We are joining this ARRKA, that is Allied Royal Rider of Karbi Anglong. That the event called Right for Justice for late Sumila Ronghangpi. We are with this riders group and we are taking participation for this peace ride.
I come to support this rally for justice for late Sumila Ronghangpi. In collaboration with TNT, we are thankful and grateful for organizing such and rally for the justice sake. And being a member of Jorhat Peace Rider team also, I am grateful to be a part of it. We demand for the quick justice to be prevailed for this late Sumila Ronghangpi.
Sumila Ronghangpi was allegedly tortured, raped, and burnt alive by a retired bank employee, Prakash Chandra Borthakur, and his son Nayan Jyoti Borthakur. This incident took place on the 22nd of April at Raha in Assam's Nagaon district. TNT Bureau.